your light shine. I feel like you've been waiting for the right time. This is your moment, moment, moment. It's time to change the world.
Welcome to our 5-part tutorial series called Change the World by Hollyn and Derek Minor. So we're going to start off our session by doing a warm-up with group exercises. So let's start out stepping side to side. And now we're going to step forward. Feel and enjoy the music. Alright, we're going to go step, back, side, together. Step, back, side, together. Let's go faster. Turn this time. Step, turn, step, together. Let's try faster. Woo! Alright, let's go do some bounces. So we're going to be taking our legs out in a second position. We're going to do it to the side so you can see. When we go down, we contract our back. So we hit down. Go up, ready? Up! So our accent is on the hips up this time. Woo! Getting your heart rate pumping. Alright, now let's do a bounce as we step together. So every time you step, you're bouncing downwards with a contraction. Faster! Beautiful. This time let's go and isolate our torso, left and right. Alright, you should be feeling that here. And now, let's draw little circles forward and bigger. And back to small circles. Other direction. So tone our arms, get them bigger and smaller circles. And then other direction. Big circles, back to small. Alright, let's swing our arms in front of us just to relax. Alright, let's go into a plie and stretch, deep breathing deeply. One. Alright, let's take our head to one side. We're going to stretch. And other side. Looking up. Down. Okay, let's take our neck in a circle. And other direction. Looking to one side and then the other. And back again. Okay, shoulder circles. Go forward. Really draw a circle with your shoulders. Reaching as full a range of motion as you can. Back the other way. Alright, arm circles forward. And back the other way. Alright, let's go and stretch to the right. Keeping your shoulders down. Bringing it down to a flat back. Think of holding a cup or a plate on your back. And down to the right. Okay, let's turn it to the right with a bend knee. Taking the opposite hand to the one on the floor and stretching up. Let's drop our knees and bring that up. So it shouldn't hurt, just a slight stretch. Okay, bringing it down. Actually, let's place our elbows next to our foot and hold. Right, turning to the front. Other side. Let's turn and take that opposite hand and the one from the one on the ground up to the ceiling. And let's place our elbows next to our foot on the ground. And hold. Right. Putting your knee down and hold.
Woke up and I'm feeling lonely. This world got a way of showing me.
Right, let it go. Turning back up. Holding your left ankle.
Most of my days I ain't got enough.
And up to a flat back. Think of that table.
And all I know is you're my only.
And up to the left. Bring it up. Let's bring our feet together. And stretching down. Bringing one ankle up. And the other. And back. Bending and stretching 4 times. Rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Alright, we're ready to start on our first part of Change the World. So to start out, we're going to have our feet apart about shoulder width distance. We're going to be looking down to the right. And then it goes, I know you just want to let your light shine. So, and it says, I know you bend your right knee as you bring your hand out. So if you're leading from your wrist. So we go 1, 2, standing back up, 3. All right, so it's, I know you just want to let on light, you step it, shine, you open your palms and look up. All right, so you're looking to the right and we go, I know you just want to let your light shine. So when you step in on light, you're looking down and shine, you open and you look up. Okay, then it's a boom. You'll hear a boom, boom, boom in the beat. So you hear light shine, boom, you step out as you hit with your elbows. So you kind of go boom, you let it come back in, the momentum, and boom, boom. You step out on your left and you bring your arms like that, dragging. Okay, so it's starting out, looking down at your right. I know you just want to let your light shine. Boom, boom, boom. All right? So let me go. It feels like you bring your palm to your next to your ear and you start twirling from your pinky. You go, it feels like you've been waiting. You're going to lean back as you push out. On right, you're going to bend and kind of do a hit in with your elbow as you lean forward slightly. So boom, boom. For the right time, then you lean forward and you bring it down as if you're looking at your watch. All right, so it will go from the top. So, I know you just wanna let your light shine. Boom, boom, boom. It feels like you've been waiting for the right time, and then you bring it in as you take the two fingers and they point down. All right, so from here, you're gonna take two fingers and you're gonna gently point down. All right, that's the first bit. Let's try that with the music.
I bet you just wanna let your light shine. I feel like you've been waiting for the right time. This is your moment.
So we ended here. It's time. Feels like it's the right time. This is your moment. You're still looking down in the first moment, and you're gonna bend your knees. So this is where we do our bounce exercise. So you're gonna do it with your feet together, and as you bounce, your palms are gonna face the ceiling as they come up. Okay, so it's two bounces. So moment, you're looking down. On the next moment, you do the same bounce, but you step out to the left as you bounce this time, and you look out kind of 45 degrees downwards in front of you. Do the same with the next one, and with each moment, your gaze gets higher and higher. All right, it's like your hope is increasing. So 4 moments. So this is your moment, and then 4 moments. One left, right, with your gaze going gradually higher and higher. And then after the 4th moment, you're gonna bring your arms up till they reach pointing to the ceiling. And as you bring them down, you're gonna jump in. Time 2, you jump back out. Change, you're gonna bring the right foot in front and turn. The world, you're gonna hit. All right, let's try that from the top. And we'll walk you through that one more time, and then we'll try that with the music. So, I bet you just wanna let your light shine. Boom, boom, boom. I feel like you've been waiting for the right time. This is your moment, your moment, your moment, your moment, your moment, and up. It's time to change the world. All right, so that's our choreography for today's part, and let's try that with the music.
I bet you just wanna let your light shine. I feel like you've been waiting for the right time. This is your moment, moment, moment. It's time to change the world.
Alright, it's cool down time for session 1. Let's take our hands to one side and the other. Looking up, looking down. Taking your head to the right and left and right and left. Right and left. Now let's do a next circle. And other side. Take your shoulders forward and back. Alright, let's take our arms and just swing them in front. And let's take our shoulders, clasp our hands together and just bend forward. Shake your head no and not yes. And taking your arms down, let's shake our shoulders. Alright, let's go for 4 bends and stretches. Let's bring our feet together. Just come up. Let's do 4 swings, okay? So it looks like that. Swing, up, and breathing deeply. Swing. 2 more. Last one. Coming down to seated. Okay, bringing one foot behind the other knee, shifting closer so that it's stretching here. Bringing your foot down and taking your arm across. Right now I want you to bring one knee on top of the other. It's going to lean forward slightly with a flat back, and you'll feel forward.
Erase the scales from my eyes. Then play the scale of my life. Chaos played off with a cold and a chorus.
Bringing the foot down. Arm thrust.
Suffering up and embrace my painful. Pop the rain up and down like I'm so loud right now. But the melody is made when you play these.
Alright, let's bring the knee on top of the other, bending forward flat with a flat back. Alright, let's bring our feet up, leading forward with your nose. So don't think of crunching to get to the ground, but flat back. Reach forward with your nose. Alright, to the side. Other side. Let's bring our feet together and do leaning forward the nose again. Alright, bring our feet together and leaning forward. Alright, thank you for joining me for session 1. I'll see you in the next session.